Welcome to this tutorial. It is all about how to configure to use the DHCP server, commonly known as server pool. So you open your packet tracer, you start your connection. First of all, you need to list the items we need. First of all, we need a switch. For this case, we shall use a 2960 switch. What else? We need PCs, English computer or laptops. The other laptops you want. Then we need a server. So what you do after getting all the requirements, come here and connect them. Use a copper straight through cable to connect them. You connect to the switch. You connect also this computer to switch. You also connect this computer to the switch also. Then after, we need to connect our switch to our server. As you see, we have connected, but when you see the cables, they haven't turned blue. It means that they haven't connected successfully, but our cables are connecting successfully. We are only left with our cable from the switch to our server. You see now it is now connected. So what next? The next step is we have to start with our switch. You press now on your switch. Then you come here to desktop, you go to IP configuration, then you put your static IP address. For this case, let us use like 20.20.20.1. Put the IP address you want, then the subnet mask will automatically be there. So you come here and you close, then you come to services, you choose DHCP server. So you see the interface. So we have to configure our gateway, and what do we put in as our gateway? Our static IP address will act as our default gateway in our DHCP server. So our IP address was 20.20.20.1. So after you see the IP address start is 20.00. Subnet mask 255.000. Then the maximum, it depends the number you want. You can put 10, you can put 20, whatever. So you come here and save. After saving, you come here, you press on, then you close that one. So now we want to see whether our computers can get IP addresses from the server. So what do? You come here at your computer or PC, you press there, you go to desktop, you go to IP configuration, you see our static IP address, it is empty. So what do? You place on DHCP, you wait for some minute, and you see it is there, it has come. You close this, you go to your PC one, you go to desktop, IP configuration, you go to DHCP. You see now this one has also come. You go to our PC city, to place of desktop, IP configuration, DHCP. Your DHCP request successful. It is there. You close this. You can put as many computers or laptops as you want. It's just a matter of connecting them now. So you come here and devices, you pick your computer. You can put as more computers as you want. As more computers as you want. Then you connect them. You come here on connections, you get your copper straight through cable. You connect them, you connect it to the router, to our switch. As you know, our switch has ports from 1 up to 24. So we are capable of having 24 computers connected on one switch. You connect them. You can connect as many computers as you want. As long as they don't exceed 24, because our switch has 24 ports. Place there as many as you want. So it's just a matter of knowing the procedures and how you connect them. As many computers as you want, because I have told you that our switch has 24 ports. So what do? You come here, you go to desktop, IP configuration, DCP, close this, you go to another laptop, desktop, IP configuration, DHCP. Go on another laptop, desktop, IP configuration, DHCP. Go another one, we do the same procedures. Go another one, desktop, IP configuration, DHCP, then you close. You check whether all the computers are getting IP DHCP addresses. Now we want to see whether we can send a message from one computer to another. You come here to our icons, you pick a message, you place it on one computer. You see it is saying successful, which means that now our laptop 3 communicates with laptop 8. You can send as many messages as you want. You can see whether this laptop can communicate with this. They are saying that laptop 5 has no function report, which means that you have to go back to laptop 5. You check whether it has you see, you need to make sure that the DHCP is turned on. So now you go back and check whether this laptop can communicate with laptop 5. Successful. Laptop 3, laptop 8 can communicate with laptop 5. You check, or you send a message to all these laptops and see whether they can communicate. Laptop 7 successfully communicated to laptop 4. That is it all about. Let's see whether our server can communicate with any of the computer. What are they saying? Successful. Server 0 successfully connected to laptop 6. That's all about how to configure a DHCP server. For more information, you just come to my inbox. You see how we can go more about networking. Thank you for listening.